Is affiliate marketing dead in 2025? Not at all. In fact, it's still one of the simplest ways to earn money online, but the strategy has changed years ago. People made money by posting random links everywhere. Today, that doesn't work anymore. The platforms are smarter, and competition is stronger. Affiliate marketing now works best when you provide helpful content. This could be through YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok reviews, or simple comparison posts. People are still buying products every single day, and companies still pay good commissions for sending them customers. The key is building trust and giving people real value before showing your link. The only downside is that it takes time to build an audience, and you need to stay consistent. But once your content grows, affiliate income can become one of the most passive income streams online. So, is affiliate marketing dead? Not even close. It's just different. If you focus on helpful content, honest reviews, and picking products you truly believe in, you can still make great money in 2025 and beyond. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online business tips.